Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I have a nice dessert recipe that's different from anything I've ever seen. It's called Southern Buttermilk Pie. Let me tell you, them Southerners know how to cook. So I found this recipe, I tried it, I gotta tell you, I love it. You want to see how I make Southern Buttermilk Pie? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
There you have it, Southern Buttermilk Pie. I'll tell you, if there's a reason to break your keto diet, this is it.
Keto, are we dieting or not?
Hey there, Wilson. Hey, you should try a piece. You might change your mind about dieting.
I probably would if there was any left. You ate it all.
Well, I did eat it all. That's because it was so good. Maybe I'll save you a piece next time.
Promises, promises.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.